If your Bahrain eVisa has been rejected, don't worry. Let's go through the common reasons and what you can do next, step by step. A Bahrain eVisa can be rejected for several reasons. One common reason is applying while you are already inside Bahrain. In that case, the application is automatically refused. Your application may also be rejected if there is incorrect or missing information, such as spelling errors in your name, passport number, or date of birth. Another reason is an invalid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date you plan to enter Bahrain. Rejection can also happen if required documents are missing. These include your return flight ticket, hotel booking or accommodation details, and proof of sufficient funds. Applying under the wrong visa category, not meeting eligibility conditions, or facing payment issues can also lead to rejection. Previous visa violations, such as overstaying in Bahrain, or security and travel history concerns may affect the decision. If your eVisa is rejected, check the rejection email carefully. If the issue is correctable, such as missing documents or incorrect details, you can submit a new application after fixing the problem. A Bahrain eVisa rejection does not end your travel plans. With accurate information, valid documents, and the correct visa category, you can reapply with confidence.